From the Andes to the Himalayas, ancient legends tell the same story. That long before us, there were giants. And buried deep within the mountains, bones have been found that some say prove it. Every civilization has its stories of giants. The Bible speaks of the Nephilim, mythical men of old, men of renown. Greek mythology tells of the Titans, powerful deities who preceded the Olympians, often depicted as beings of immense stature and strength. In Norse legends, the Jotnar built mountains and carved valleys, shaping the very landscape with their colossal might. And in the Andes, the Quechua speak of giant ancestors who walked before the sun was born, leaving behind a legacy of awe and wonder. Different continents, different eras, yet the same description of colossal beings persists across cultures. Was it myth or memory? A question that has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries. In the 1800s, explorers and miners across North America began unearthing something strange, something that defied conventional understanding. Massive skeletons, some over 10 feet tall, were found buried in ancient mounds, challenging established scientific paradigms. Newspapers of the time reported dozens of finds: giant skulls with double rows of teeth, massive femurs too large for any known species. The Smithsonian Institution collected many of these bones, bringing them into their vast archives for study. And then, they were never seen again. A perplexing disappearance that fueled decades of speculation. When researchers requested access, they were told the evidence had been lost or destroyed, raising questions about intentional concealment. The same story appears across the world, suggesting a global phenomenon rather than isolated incidents. In the Caucasus Mountains, Russian archaeologists unearthed skulls too large to be human, sparking local legends and scientific debate. In Ecuador's Loya province, locals discovered femur bones believed to belong to beings over 7 meters tall, an astonishing claim. And in the mountains of Afghanistan, U.S. soldiers allegedly encountered a red-haired giant in 2002, the so-called Kandahar giant. The official report was buried, but the story refuses to die, echoing through whispers and online forums. Scientists dismiss the idea of human giants, pointing to gigantism, a rare hormonal disorder, as the explanation for unusual size. But gigantism affects individuals, not entire populations, leaving a gap in the explanation for widespread giant legends. And yet ancient architecture, from Baalbek's massive stone blocks to the perfectly carved chambers of Egypt, seems designed for beings larger than us. Measurements, tools, doorways, all oversized, suggesting builders of extraordinary stature and strength. Who were they built for? A question that challenges our understanding of ancient civilizations. Modern ground-penetrating radar has revealed caverns and voids hidden beneath mountain ranges across the world, many sealed for millennia. Local legends say they were tombs, sacred resting places for beings of immense power. In Peru, one cave network known as Los Teyos contains chambers large enough to fit giants, and strange metallic libraries with carvings of enormous humanoid figures. The government closed it off in the 1970s, adding another layer to the enigma. Even Neil Armstrong joined a secret expedition there after walking on the moon, a testament to its profound mystery. He never spoke about what he found, leaving us to wonder about the secrets he carried. DNA studies of certain ancient populations in South America and the Middle East reveal anomalies, markers not found in modern humans. Longer bones, thicker cranial density, traces of unknown origin, genetic signatures that hint at a different lineage. If the stories are true, then maybe humanity isn't the first intelligent species to walk the earth, just the last one left. History is written by the victors. Archaeology is written by the survivors. The mountains remember what we forget. This is truth in the shadows. Where the giants never died, they were buried.